in it, okay? Because I'm gonna reshuffle this pot. Remember this Dollar Tree pot, and put some peppers in it. I've begun to do a lot of cleanup. I don't know if my basil is gonna survive. I propagated because the thing is still green. It's still green, which is good. So I'm gonna put this in water, okay? And the base of the plant, I let it in the pot, and I put a pepper beside it. So now, oh, I'm gonna see what happens or didn't happen here. Oh, and I have a sweet pepper on this pepper plant here, but I'm gonna take it out because it doesn't look like it's gonna progress further. You see that pepper? Yes, I'm gonna take it out. So first things first, there you have it. I got a little pepper. It can do something, right? Oh, I tell you what, woo, this dirt is feeling healthy. Look at the worm here. You see? And I have some potatoes. Woo! Woo, this is what happens when you feed your soil. Look at that. But I got potatoes. Okay? So I'm gonna revamp this. The soil doesn't need any amendment. This is perfect. This is perfect. Of course, the bag broke down. The good thing is it is environmentally friendly. It broke down. That is fine. And I'm just looking if I see any more potatoes in here. But I like this. Woo! I see more worms. You see that? Living soil. This is what living soil means. Okay. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna revamp this pot. I have some pepper plants. I'm gonna put it in here. This one is looking very sad because it never ever revived. The leaves continue to stay sad from that episode. But I'm gonna take this in because I got potatoes. So here we go. All right. So never be dismayed. However small it is, you reap something. But I wanted to revamp this because I really want to spruce the garden back up. So I'm gonna put in some peppers, of course, pepper transplants, because the seeds gonna get a fight right now. The heat is too much, the pestle is too much, but I'm gonna revamp this, okay? So stick around, Deb here. I'm continuing to do my revamping, cleaning up, sprucing up, and we're gonna continue to grow together and whatever, you know. Sometimes spontaneity wins the day. If I had program, I don't know, but I got some potatoes. I can put in Father's Day food tomorrow. All right then. You have some plants, you see. You have some plants that simply don't. Okra, okay? Okra is a good one. This one, it seems like the young ones is even stronger than the established plants because this was sprayed accidentally and they're still growing and they're putting out their secondary leaves now. I'm surprised. And I even had a seed in it that didn't sprout, and after that event it sprouted. So here we go. So okra is one that is good. If you're a lazy gardener, I don't care gardener, trying to care gardener, just put this down. It will make you look good because okras are prolific producers. And people will see it and say, whoa, 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 what have you been doing? Well, you don't do anything. You just put it there and leave it alone. Potatoes is another one. Okay, set it, forget it. Yes, my leaves are looking kind of straggly, really stressed out. But underneath there, I put one potato in a Dollar Tree basket, right? Only one. And look what I got from it, okay? And this is me taking it out prematurely because I want to revamp the pot. You understand? So potatoes is another one. Plant it, leave it alone. You'll be all good. And you'll have potatoes, all right? Another one is peppers, okay? I have a pepper plant here. And I have a nice yellow pepper on it. See that? Yep. They're coming, they're growing. Nothing bothers them. You have to decide to pull them out if you really want to, or if you want the space. I have others here. I have some in bed one there. And I have some others over this side here. I have one that has blossom on it, okay? I have some in this bed here. I have a little variegated one and they're doing good. And I have some over there. Oh, I see a pepper over there. I didn't even see that. It looked like one of them sweet peppers, a smaller sweet pepper, and it is going on, it's doing well. Okay, so pepper plant is another don't care plant. Okay, you plant it and you'll get peppers. Just make sure you get over that initial hump and you're good. And I have one here. This is a roselle, a hibiscus. It was bent over after the spring, and then now I see baby leaves coming up and it is still standing. The leaves are not curled anymore, so I know that they are fine. So this is another one. Okay, so I told you peppers, I told you okra, I told you potatoes. Oh, my favorite herb, Mediterranean desert herb. Okay, this is rosemary. I got another pot. I'm gonna change this pot here, but this was a deal, so I couldn't help, and I propagated some from it, and here I have a big bush. Okay, so rosemary is tough. It is good. Once you put it, you'll have nice fresh herb. You can do many things with it. I use it for cooking, for my hair care, body care, whatever. You'll be good. And one more plant, tough as nails, eggplants. Woo. I didn't know that. I have two in this bed here, if you can see. I have one here, I have two, and do I have any more in this bed? No. I just planted this one because I saw it on a deal, and I had one, two, and another little one. Three, okay? Eggplants, another prolific producer, will make you look good, okay? So don't care about the garden looking perfect. You looking perfect, the plants looking perfect, the soil perfect. There is no such thing. Plant it whatever you have. If you can afford to get compost or whatever, do your own compost, or put it in whatever dirt you have. Okay, put them in whatever dirt you have. Just give them enough watering for that initial hump and they'll be fine. And after that, you'll have some rock stars. So here I am. I'm just going through. Thoughts are coming to my head because I'm here still cleaning up. The place is all messy. I'm feeling like a mess. And I'm in the dirt, but I'm getting things revived, okay, and changing around, sprucing around. So this is me putting in another one for you, okay? Woo, Deb here, signing out with another one. Believe it or not, I'm so hot, and this is like 8:30 in the morning, and let me get this done. I am so hot. But anyhow, see you again in the next one. Let's keep growing, okay? There are things we can grow, whether or not you think you can do it, okay? Let's go. See you in the next one. Bye.